My name is Kosta, and I'm here today sharing with you this video to give you a lot of information regarding the Tron Wallet, how you can download it, how you can use it, how you can receive funds, how you can send funds, how you can keep your crypto assets safely. Also, I'll show you how you can freeze and vote in TRX wallet, and why you need this and what benefits you will get from that.
First thing first, you need to download Tron Blocks wallet on your smartphone. After the download, when you enter this application, and I'll show how to create the wallet. But be careful with main things like your private key and your seed phrase. Your private key is only for your eyes, only for you. Same for the restoring phrase. Also, you can hear it like seed phrase. So here we go. We already downloaded Tron Blocks. So we click on it to enter. You see there is no wallet right now here. So let's click add a new wallet now. So you need to name the wallet. Let's say Crypto Kosta wallet name will be okay. Then advanced features. You can enable password here for every time. You don't need that basically if you don't want like more protection for your phone, but it will take more time for you to enter all the time passwords. So basically this application contains the biometrical security with your fingerprint, so you can use your fingerprint all the time or a pin code. But if you enter here enable password, so you'll also need to put your password all the time. So I don't see any reason for that if I'm going to use the biometrical fingerprint. So let's click create. Yeah, we want to create a new wallet. Click yes, and here is the finger authentication, touch sensor, and here we go. And this is very important moment here. You have here three things that you have to write down. Basically, your address. It's address where you're going to receive your funds. So this is the public address. You can share it. You can give it to your friends for donation or something else. Doesn't matter. Anyway, if you want to receive the funds, you need to give this typical digits, this address. It's same way as like your bank account number for the transaction. The private key here below, this is only for your eyes. This is like your password for your wallet, for your funds. So if somebody has your private key, he has access to your funds. So be careful with that one. If you lose it, nobody will restore it for you. Nobody will give it to you back. There is no any service support service like in the bank. So basically it goes to blockchain. It's only for you and the blockchain, that's all. So and you have here below recovery phrase, which is basically the same as a private key, but this one is for restoring your wallet on this typical program and this application. So write down your recovery phrase. Be careful where you keep it. It should be kept safely, the same as a private key. So when you wrote it all down, you can click continue, and here we go. We have a crypto Costa. You can see here below first of all the address, the public address, and lower you can see that I have 0 TRX. If you click on TRX, you'll see you can see it in USD, in US dollar. So arrows on the left, on the right, that you can switch between the wallets, so you can create a new one if you need to. Right now, I'll show you how you can send the funds. So below you can see there is a first button is a voting button. You can vote. You have no votes available right now because we need to freeze the Tron first of all. So I'll show you how to do that in a second. First of all, I would like to show you how to send the funds and how to use the tab browser. Here we go. The second button was tab browser. We have here Tron Trade. You can trade here with other assets on the Tron blockchain, with other tokens. So right now we're not going to do that. If you need a review on these markets and how to use them, I'll share you with the next video. Just share your thoughts in the comments, please. And you can see here this third one is the one that you will use for the for the scanning QR code and so on and so on. So you can scan a QR code and send the funds easily without punching in all these digits into your phone. And here the last one is that you can use for the sending Tron to any user. You click here, you scan his wallet, or if he sent you an digits, you just can put him these digits here, and here you put the amount. Right now we have a 0, and basically that's all what you need to do. You put the receiver, you put amount, and you click send, and after that the funds will be sent after requesting your biometrical fingerprint. So next, after the arrow, you see there's a QR code and your address. So basically you can click to copy it below, or you can share it with any program that you have on your smartphone. So, and this is the easiest way to receive funds on your account. The next button that is above, you see it's the exchange, as I already showed it to you. You can see here the token prices that on the Tron blockchain. Basically, if you want to know about it more, just type me down that in comments. I'll be glad to make a new review for you. The fourth button is freezing your trons. So what does that mean, freezing your trons? When you freeze your trons, you'll get energy or a bandwidth. Also you'll get special tokens. Okay, right now I'll show you how to send Tron to another wallet, to another address. Basically here you put the address of your receiver, and here you put the amount of a TRX Tron that you want to send. Let's check. If we send one Tron, let it be 70, okay, let it be 20 Trons. Let's send them right now. It asks for the biometrical identification. So here is the contract from this address to this address. Confirm all the contracts. Right now we're sending it. Yes, bingo, got it. So right now its transactions unconfirmed, but it will take just very quickly to confirm it. We can see here fee is 0.1 TRX. It's very low fees. Anyway, we send not a big amount, and these fees usually they are fixed. They are all the time same for any amount that we are sending. So let's click finish. So right now we have 59 TRX on our account, and let's see what we have here. So now we have here 20 TRX already in. It's very quickly. It doesn't matter if you are in the United States or in Australia or in China. Doesn't matter. It will take a couple seconds until the transaction will hit your wallet. So it's very fast. It's not like a bank wire transfer. That's why I love the cryptocurrencies. So let's continue. How to vote. I promise you to teach you how to vote. So the first button here below, you can click vote, and you need to, first of all, you need to freeze your file. So you click open freeze page. This freeze page also you can find here as a snow sign on the top side of your smartphone. So here you can choose bandwidth or energy, both. What is more you like. Basically right now it doesn't matter, just put 100% for freezing. Now it asks you for the fingerprint, and here you go. I confirm the contracts, and your contracts right now is successfully downloaded into the blockchain. So right now, when everything is finished, you click finish, and we go to directly to the uh, right back to just a second. Yeah, you see here right now in the main page that TRX is already frozen for 3 days. It's locked for 3 days. So if you want to try it just for one day, you should know that it will be frozen for 3 days. This is very important information. So after 3 days, you can unfreeze it. You can send these funds someone else, or you can use them. It's up to you. Okay, let's go next. So right now we click for the voting. So we have 20 votes, and here you can see a lot of different validators. And on the right side, on the left side, you can see the name. On the right side, you can see the amount of votes that they already have. Every validator will share with you certain benefits, maybe their own token, or some other benefits, maybe Tron, TRX. As much as you vote for them, as much you will get some certain benefits. So I would advise you to read more about the benefits that you will get. So let's say I'll put it to the Sesame seed. Yeah, Sesame seed. So I put here 20. Okay, max. I put here max votes. And right now, what I can do, I can yep, here. Now I can um, vote. Yep. So you see, I already voted. You just click submit votes. Again, you put your fingerprint here, and here we go. Uh, Here is the sender, and I confirm the contracts. Click send, and bingo. Here we go. Success. So right now your funds are frozen for 3 days, and you'll get certain benefits out of this. Um, we'll check in a few moments, in a few days what's gonna be next.